Hello everyone. So what I'd like you to do today is actually recreate an image so we can make it into a sticker. And we're going to be using Pixlr photo editor. So just a kind of reminder how to do it, because you're going to be saving these onto a desktop. Write in something that I want to look up. And just want to look at the images. I'm going to hit enter. Alrighty, we have some cute ones. It's a big pixel, so I'm just going to bring this up so you can see that it's a big pixel. And so what we're going to do, and just reminders, you're going to right click onto it and you save image as, and you can call it what it is. And I usually use underscore just to differentiate it. And I want to save it not into this folder, but I want to save it onto the desktop. So I'm going to hit that, and then I'm going to hit save. I'm going to open up another tab, and I'm going to write the word just Pixlr, Pixlr.com, and I'm just going to go to the front. You can do /editor. And then this, you can go open Pixlr editor right to the first page of it. And here it's going to be, it's still going to use Flash Player. So to enable it, we want to click here. And it's going to say block or allow. Let's allow for now. So here we go. We're going to open image from computer. I'm going to go find the black kitty image, and then I'm clicking open. So as you can see all the different, you can see the pixels of it. You can make it bigger, smaller, and it looks like it does not have any of the layers opening here, which is fantastic. If they are, you can just click the X box, like they have an X right there to close it. So right now I just want to, I think I'd like to crop just a little bit of this image. And this is not cropping, this is to open it and close it, make it bigger or smaller on your screen. So the tools are right here. So these are different tools to move it, crop it. If you want to change the pencil, paint it, add shapes to it. It's up to you. So you can add shapes to it, like if you want to do something like this. And you can also fill it in with different color. I can change the colors to what I want. So I can I'll change it. You can have different tones of color. Click OK. I'll get my bucket tool and I fill it in with the color. And then if I want to add text, I can add text to it, but just remember that the text is this color now. So if you want to change it, and you can always change to white. White is, I believe, 000 or FFF. So FFFF, F, and it seems to, so I can have a text and I can write down what I want. You can choose any text here. There's whatever is on the computer. This is what's on my computer. So you can check what you'd like to put in there. You might not be able to get all of these. So cute. And as I spell it incorrectly, you can change the size of it to fit. Okay, you can move it. So you can move it into the box. So that's one thing to do. If this is something that you don't want to do, that's completely fine too. So I'm going to delete, I'm going to undo. So I'm going to undo all the edits. So here is to undo. You can redo, undo. So there's always, you can do undo, undo. I don't want the box. And I'm going to go to crop. So I'm going to crop my little friend here. So I'm going to use the crop tool and I open it. So I drag and open it. And here it's cropped, and I just double click on it and then it crops it. The next thing that I'm going to do is I want to adjust the color. So I want to make it as saturated as possible, just because I like it. You can see the color is just really glowing. and that's what I want. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to adjust it, but I'm going to posturize it. So you can do all sorts of things. You can solarize. This is kind of neat to edit, undo, and go back to my saturated image. Then I go to adjust, and I want to posturize because I like, so this makes it more of like, almost like pixelates it. This gives it like a hue in the background, but if you lower the level, it kind of pixelates it and changes the spectrum of the colors and almost pixelates them. So I like that, so I'm going to keep that. And now I want to add a filter. So the one that I want to do, and you can go to town on these, so you can check out different ones, see what one works. I would like to kaleidoscope because I just like the effect. So you can change the horizontal. The horizontal moves it over. I like it right in the center. The vertical would be not vertical, but the size, you can change the size of it. So you can multiples or just one. So I'm going to change the size of it and to whatever, yeah, I like that picture. So I'm going to go okay, and I'm done. This is just one of my images that I'm going to create. So I go to, now I'm going to save it to the desktop. So I go to File, Save, and I want the best image possible. So this is going to save it, it's going to change the image. So I wanted to go to Black Kitty and say Black Kitty 1. You could also just put your name. So I'm actually going to change this to Gabriela 1. Yes, I want JPEG, and I want something the best quality. And as you can see, it just changed the numbers right there. Click OK. Goes to my desktop. This is where I want to save it. Has Gabriela 1 on it. JPEG image, ready to save. You can create whatever you want. Once you're in here, to make another image, you just go to File and Open Image. So if you've saved other ones, you can open image. So have fun, change things up a little bit, and I will print whatever you create. I will make a sticker of your creation.